creamy, comforting Tom Kha Soup. Hi guys, welcome back. As I mentioned, we're going to be making Tom Kha Soup, which is a popular Thai coconut milk soup. Normally it is made with chicken. If you want that recipe, you can go ahead and click on the iCard for that version. But today I'm going to be making a vegetarian version with cubed tofu. You also have the option to make it vegan if you need it. But even as much as I love Tom Kha Gai, I was pleasantly surprised by how delicious the tofu version was. All right, you guys, let's get started. So these are the ingredients we're going to be using. I just have some firm tofu that I've cubed up. These are some baby bell mushrooms that I've just rinsed and sliced. And over here are some straw mushrooms. They go by different names, but I find these at my Asian grocery store. I'm using full fat coconut milk. This is usually a bigger can than what I normally use. This one's 19 ounces. The other one I use, I believe, is 13.5. So it's be extra creamy. I also have some sliced bell pepper. I did an orange one. You can do red or green just for some color and crunch. And my lemongrass, my Thai peppers, my Makrut Lime leaves, fresh lime, some chopped up cilantro and green onion for garnish. You can also add the cilantro stems to the broth, which is what we're gonna do. So this is the lemongrass, just pound it to release the oils and aroma. Same with the lime leaves. And this is the galangal, the root, which is called kha in Thai. So we're just gonna add that to a stock of water. You can also do vegetable broth if you want a little bit more flavor, but I will be adding some salt, some cilantro stems, boil that for about 10 minutes. Here I'm adding some salt to season it. You can see I'm missing some ingredients because I recorded this twice. So just don't pay attention to that. So add your cubed tofu. So normally we would add the chicken and they would need to cook, but since tofu doesn't need to cook, we can start adding everything else. So I'm adding the bell pepper, and then I'm going to add the sliced mushrooms. This is about 1.5 cups, and then 1 package of the straw mushrooms. The straw mushrooms, make sure you break them off from the roots because they do have roots when you buy them in the package. I believe you can also buy these in the can as well. Just make sure you drain them. So now I'm going to add the entire can of coconut milk. Make sure you get everything out. Like I said, if you're using the smaller can, it'll just be less coconut milk, or you can do double cans. And then right now is when we actually want to taste it. So if you do not need it to be vegan, you can add fish sauce. If you do need it to be vegan, you can do some tamari or just add a little bit extra salt. Unless you did vegetable broth, then that should have salt in it as well. Give it a taste. It's not going to have the acidic element because I like to do that last when I'm serving the Tom Kha. Same with my Tom Kha Gai. I just squeeze half a lime into a bowl and then I ladle the soup directly in it and stir it. For whatever reason, I think this works best because when you add the lime juice, it can kind of curdle the coconut milk. So the other way to do it is with some chili oil. This is, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna squeeze the lime juice into the bowl and I'm gonna add a couple spoons of chili oil. You can get either, this is from Trader Joe's, or you can get the one from the Asian market, whichever one you like. And then go ahead and ladle the bowls. And this is gonna give it that nice, oily kind of orange and red hue to the Tom Kha. Traditionally, Tom Kha does not have the chili oil, but I know a lot of restaurants do it this way. So if you like that extra spice, go ahead and do that. And garnish it with your chopped green onion and cilantro, and it is ready to go. This is so cozy, so comforting, and a really great vegetarian or vegan option that you can do. You can serve it with some rice or eat it with another meal. And I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Leave me any comments below and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.